It's such a cute little car. What the fuck is going on with my car? Press rear cross traffic alert unavailable. Push brake pedal and push switch to start. That's what I'm doing, and the brake pedal is hard. It's like locked or something. RCA traffic. My check engine light is on. That thing is on. What the fuck happened to my car? This has never happened in my car. This has never happened in the history of any car that I've ever owned. And then my laptop is acting weird too. What the fuck is up with my car? And I was trying to go get this girl's freaking... What's wrong with it? What does this say? My car is locked. It doesn't want to turn on, look. No, it doesn't want to turn on at all. I'm so annoyed. Now it doesn't want to turn off at all. Look, the electrical stuff is like acting all weird now. Look at that. I can't turn off my car. Are you kidding me? It doesn't want to turn off. I'm pushing the button. Nope, it doesn't want to turn off now. I am officially just sitting outside waiting for my dad to show up. My car doesn't want to turn on. My laptop randomly turned off and it doesn't want to turn back on. All of my technology today is just not in my favor. And I was on my way to go get shots for my dog because she needs them, and my battery is dead. Now I'm scared that that will ever happen again. The thing is that my car is not even old. It's a 2022. It's a 2022, and I've like, prior to this, my car has never had a problem. It's never like not started. I can't imagine if this happened like during the week, like, except for example tomorrow. Like, if I were to have this problem tomorrow, I wouldn't know who to call. I truly wouldn't know who to call, because my parents would have been at work, everyone would have been at work, and I would have just been stuck home, not going to school for the day, or not going to work for the day. So let's see how long my dad takes to get here. He supposedly is on his way. Freaking car. And the thing is that they're saying that, I called my sister and they were saying it might be the battery. They must have left the car on, and I'm like, I know for sure I didn't leave my car on. Like, first of all, I left the dog inside, so I know I wasn't distracted. I know I turned my car off as soon as I got inside the house, and like, it's like one push of a button and then it's off. It's not like the engine's on. It's not like the lights turn on, like the lights turn off on its own. They're automatic. I don't know if it was like really, really cold that it just drained my battery. I don't even know if that's a thing. Like, can a place be so cold that it could drain your battery? I'll look that up. But I feel like it was probably that. But then again, it doesn't get freezing here in California for it to drain my fucking battery. What a start to my Monday. My Sunday. I sat outside for a good while and my dad still hasn't shown up, so I'm just gonna chill inside the house, make my bed, and then figure out what the heck is going on with my laptop, because my laptop too does not want to turn on. I keep, like, it's not dead either. Like, my laptop wasn't dead when I was using it, but I'm gonna put it to charge anyways. I don't know what it is about my technology today. I don't know if I went through some sort of portal last night. Now it's turned on. What's doing? So look, it was at 10%. So I don't know what happened. My dog won't shut up. Stop. It sounded like my dad. Shh. That sounded just like my dad. His whistle. Okay, well, my laptop's back on. Now it's just to figure out what the heck is going on with my car. I'm gonna close this goddamn door because this dog is driving me insane with the amount of barking she's doing. And I like having the door open. But I can't because of this one. Okay, I'm gonna make my bed now. Man of the hour is here. So gonna help me fix my car. Hopefully it can get fixed. We're here trying to figure out how to get this car to start. I think it is the battery because as soon as my dad put his... No. We're trying to figure out how to get my car to start and we're stuck under my garage. ¿Por qué? ¿Que no lo puedes sacar?
¿Eh?
¿No lo puedes sacar?
¿Qué?
¿Mi carro?
Pues no hay cómo, no ves que si lo pones en neutral. Ande, güey.
¿No se mueve?
No se mueve. Y está raro porque...
Fun freaking Sunday. My car does not want to start. I tried looking to see if I can manually start my car. Either way, like, even if I put it in neutral, my car brake is locked. It's like so many things against me today. I gotta put this back in there. This fucking sucks. It's so bad. It's so bad. And this dog is playing with the freaking plastic on the floor. Who knows what happened to my car? I really, really don't know. ¿Quieres que agarro esta cosa? ¿Qué día?
La batería está buena, nomás que no sé por qué se descargó.
No sé, si nada estaba prendido, mi carro siempre se apaga el solo.
Ok, el asunto es ese.
Herramienta. Aquí en su casa.
Dame la dirección al teléfono para ahí meterme a la mapa y para que me lleve de volada.
Ándale pues.
Bueno.
Okay, we're still here stuck in the back of my garage. We've called for backup now. My sister was like, oh, we could call... Okay. My sister was like, we could call AAA, but AAA might take a while, so we're going to get my uncle, who's a mechanic, to try to come and help me. Come on! Come! My dad's upset now. Oh, little woman, you got him all upset. Come on, let's go get your leash. This way. Come on. This Sunday has been so stupid. I've wasted so much of my time just trying to get the stupid car ready. Just to leave. Changing my window screen. I'm like, might as well just make them useful and change my window screen. So I can at least open the door. My sister's on her way. She called AAA. My uncle's apparently on his way as well. ¿Vas a saber por qué? Qué raro. ¿Y si cabe este? Ya, ¿verdad? ¿Sí va a caber? ¿Y limón? Lemon. God damn it. Apparently he couldn't do it, so I gotta put this right back. This sucks. What a day, you guys. Sister has arrived at the scene. Hi, Mia. Hi, girl. There is my sister. We're just missing AAA. AAA is here.
The car in the garage. Yeah, that's fine.
AAA is here. Yay.
I'm recording.
For my YouTube. My vlog for Sunday.
What I just dropped it.
It's such a cute little car.
It is.
It's so tiny.
It fit perfectly.
I know. It's so cute. Where did it go? Yay. It's arrived.
Va a querer que le pongan los... Bueno, ahorita
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning. How are you?
I just need to see your membership card. That's pretty much it.
There we go. It's totally Okay. Yay, my car started. There's the battery. I wonder what happened because it's not. What my clock is doing. It's so good. Just change to the time that it is right now, which this is still wrong. It's like 10 o'clock. But they're doing tests. Let's see what comes back. So AAA finally came and fixed my car and replaced my battery. It was a whopping $233. I literally had this entire day planned way differently than what I had intended. Looks like I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna be sat home. I might go later to my parents' house just to go wash. Other than that, I think I might just edit some videos, read a book, walk my dog, and just do a bunch of other free shit because I spent $200. That was unexpected. Obviously, I needed a battery change. It was gonna happen at some point. I just didn't expect it to be today, and I thought my day was gonna be different. And at least I was in the comfort of my own home rather than being out and about and this happening. And I'm very grateful for my parents and my family for showing up for me and helping me out, because pretty sure if I lived anywhere else this would have been such a disaster. So like I said, thankfully I had my sister come and she had AAA. Thankfully my dad came and tried to figure it out himself. My uncle was supposed to show up and I accidentally sent the text to his son instead of him for my home address, so he couldn't show up, but he was gonna show up. All in all, to say is that you may plan for a day, but that doesn't mean the plan will be executed, because you can prepare for everything, but sometimes you can't prepare for the unexpected. I don't know why I tried to do this whole like affirmations TED Talk situation thing. Yeah, so I guess for the rest of the day I'm gonna figure out what the heck to do at home. I really wanted to use that money for the thing, for like the decor stuff that I wanted to implement in this house. Don't think that's gonna get done, so we'll see what I end up coming up with today. I also got this Amazon box with the magnets for this little project that I'm trying to do, where I'm gonna make my own magnets. I also got my son a new charger because the charger he has is not working. He needed a new lightning cable. I got some magnets for my a project that I'm trying to do. I'm trying to create my own magnets for my refrigerator. I got some magnets. They come with the self-adhesive, but I think I might super glue them. That's the adhesive is really, really strong. But I ended up buying these Fairy Garden whimsical decor. This is like for like decor outside, like I guess in your garden, but I really like them for fridge magnets. So they look like I have these. They're 2 little windows. I also got this door one. I got this. This one's my favorite. It's a little pink door. And this one right here, there are 2 windows, and this looks like hair to me, but it's supposed to be curtains. I want to create my apartment to be more whimsical and more, yeah, I just want to add more whimsy to my life. And I saw some girl make her own magnets by just buying a pack of magnets. So I'm gonna do this project because that's something I've been wanting to do, so I can add it to my fridge. It's not gonna look good. That's not gonna look good unless I like figure out how to like sew all these pieces together to make almost like a tablecloth. Yeah, that's the only way it's gonna work. It would have been a really pretty tablecloth, but I'm also missing that side of the tablecloth. Darn. What do I do? Should I just use them as like napkins? I think they might be intended for like napkins. How do people make napkins? Like a really cute design for a napkin. Like this, and then they like roll it up kind of thing. And I think they put that thing in the middle. I think this might be a napkin. I think I've made a mistake. Oh well, guys, this was a failed attempt at me trying to change up my scenery here. I really want to buy a vintage tablecloth. I want everything vintage. I want a vintage kitchen towels. I want vintage napkins. Yeah, that didn't work. It's totally fine, but I think I might take away the flower one and just leave this in the middle. Dominoes. This in the middle right here. I'm just gonna leave that in the middle for now. We've just been out and about with my mother, going to a lot of different places. We went to a curtain place to buy curtains. Went to this like discounted place that wasn't really discounted, and now we're here at CVS because my mom wants to buy some. She wants to buy toilet paper. Here we are. I'm in the mood for some chips. No, aquí no. Pero si hay, ya se los llevaron. No quiero entrar a trabajar mañana, mamá. No, no, yo no tengo ganas de ir.
Tengo ganas de mucho dinero.
Dinero, sí, para trabajar, no.
Mucho. También me la llevaré.
Es buy one, get one, 50% off. Mira, se llevaron todo.
Vamos a tener que ir al otro.
Es el Scott, ¿no?
Pero no está así como dijeron.
¿Qué dijeron?
Checa la aplicación, dice que está $9.99, pero no.
A lo mejor con el cupón. There's a lot of clearance here at CVS. There's like this one, which is a make poster. Glitter frame for $1. More sticker stuff. The best thing is this printer ink that's 90% off for $4. There's a desk organizer for $6. And journals for $4. Maybe they're $8.99.
Esto ya se lo llevaron todo.
Oh, mira, those highlighters, they're $3. That's really cheap.
Mira para escribir.
Ah, esto sí está bueno. 1.67. Aquí están más cosas. Candles. $50% off. Oh, okay. Get those dominoes. Look at our stacks. Okay. How I do it. Pick this thing up. I look absolutely ridiculous with my Scott papers. Absolutely ridiculous. I'm gonna do this one. So my trunk is currently looking like. I think it's time to go home, you guys. Gotta go wash. We got back $10 in extra care bucks because my mom spent $30 because there's a coupon going on. So my mom's gonna go buy 2 more. Mom's gonna buy 2 more, and she's gonna end up paying $12 for 2 Scott products, which she really likes. So let's go use these up. My bag of chips. Wow, amazing. An update of the day. I've just been sitting around at my mom's house just watching YouTube, reading my book, which I thought my book was more about like the spiritual realm and how you can utilize the spiritual realm to illuminate the life that you have right now, but it's mostly talking about grief and like people who have passed on and the signs that you see from the people that passed on. I thankfully have never had anyone close to me pass on, so it's not something that like it's not the type of book that I thought it was gonna be. So I'm actually kind of disappointed in that, which I know if like you are experiencing grief or you have experienced grief, I feel like this book would truly help you. But for me, it's just like, I don't think I grabbed the book that I wanted. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna make a conscious effort of driving up to the library to get a library book so that I can read for this week. So yeah, because I technically do. I watched Pride and Prejudice yesterday, and I have the book, and I wanted to watch the movie first, and I really liked the movie, so maybe I should just work on reading that and reading my other book that I got from a little library. Other than that, I've just been sitting here waiting for my last load of laundry to dry, and then I'm gonna head home. I'm going to I need to edit my other video that's supposed to go up today. I'm gonna edit this vlog tomorrow. So this vlog, Sunday vlog, is gonna get uploaded on Monday. So I need to upload my Saturday vlog. What a turn of events that it was today. Major turn of events.